What time is it?
Well, you see how I'm going for? We're in the middle of
Alright. We're going down this jetway. Ooh, yeah, touch it for luck. Touch it for luck. Hello.
Good morning.
Okay, we're about ready to leave on this plane. We have about a 2-hour flight, and we'll get to a bigger terminal, bigger airport, and get on a bigger airplane.
Open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle.
This is the announcement nobody
the
listens
seatbelt
to.
sign is on it.
We made it.
Not block the doors.
Okay, we arrived in Dallas-Fort Worth after an 1.5-hour flight, and we're gonna head to Chick-fil-A, get some sandwiches, and wait for our next flight out. Alright, we are getting on our next airplane to sunny San Diego. We're in San Diego.
Yeah.
We're gonna get on a bus.
We're gonna get tan.
Then we're gonna drive around the other side of the runway to the car rental agency and grab our rental car. We have to get on that to get our rental car. It's like being at Disneyland.